Staff, I've created a short video to show an easy communication tool to be used during advisory and during study hall to let parents know that we are having conversations about their students and their missing assignments. This week, under the staff communication number 11, I've created a short script under missing assignments to be used during advisory. The script is something that can be saved somewhere else on another Google Doc to be used every Thursday once you have your individual conference with students who are missing work. So it's very simple to see. You can adjust this if you would like, but you end up highlighting the script, or like I said, creating your own script. You go into the discipline referral, and this one here you can see I am going to give Madeline Louise Luft a discipline referral. You paste it in there. One thing you can do here, just as far as customer courtesy, you can enter your own email address if they have any questions about missing work or the conversations that took place. Next, I will be looking at the grade report that is sent out every Monday. And here I'm going to use Alexander Allen as a way to copy it in there. I can highlight that assignment that we talked about. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to hit paste. You can see formatting will be an issue, but nothing that a few returns can't take care of. And then what will happen here is you can go in under problem behavior. On the bottom, you will see academic communication. This will allow us an easy way to send an email to parents to let them know that we are going above and beyond and having conversations about missing work. When finished, you click Send to Office. This will automatically populate on my end, and then I will be able to send it out via email through JMC. Like I said, this should be a very quick way in advisory to just follow through with our parents and our students to let them know that we are having conversations about the missing work that students are not turning in. If you have any questions, please stop down in the office. Thank you and have a great weekend.